This is the new Huawei Watch Ultimate, a smartwatch that is apparently not just a timepiece, but the ultimate sports companion, health coach, and has elite golf features all in one. But can it deliver on everything that it promises? Well, let's find out after using this smartwatch after 2 weeks. First, let's start with the unboxing. So other than the watch itself, there'll be 2 compartments underneath over there. On the left compartment, there's the proprietary charging puck. Then on the right compartment, there's the extra rubber strap option and the watch extension for the default watch strap as well. Next, let's talk about the design, because this smartwatch truly shines compared to others, as it is crafted with superior materials that you would usually find in million-dollar traditional luxury watches. First up, there's the dual tone ceramic, which is scratch resistant and corrosion resistant, where according to Huawei, it goes through some crazy production process like being fired up at 1400 Celsius for 7 days and having over 40 processes, taking a total of 45 to 50 days to complete. Yep, they didn't cut any corners while making this. Now, it is the first smartwatch in the industry to use an ultra-durable amorphous zirconium alloy, which is both wear-resistant and corrosion-resistant, stronger than both stainless steel and titanium alloy, which is perfect for those who really demand a very robust material smartwatch. On top of that, it also comes with a nano crystal ceramic, which is 6 to 7 times harder than stainless steel and 10 times more corrosion resistant. Now pair that with the sapphire glass mirror on the 1.5 inches LTPO AMOLED color screen. It protects this amazing screen for the added durability, but still maintaining a great screen response throughout my 2 weeks of use. Then there's even the multiple straps for different occasions, like the titanium for the lightweight, pressure-resistant feel, the woven for an exquisite, breathable, and of course more to give you the versatile options depending on when you're planning to wear this together with your smartwatch daily. Now in Malaysia, this Huawei Watch Ultimate is available in this classic green hue, where it does look very unique and has that luxurious feel indeed whenever I wore it. Next, if you love golf, you are guaranteed to love this smartwatch, as it makes this the ultimate golfer's companion. It has detailed maps of over 180 major golf courses across Malaysia and so much more courses worldwide. Now you can select the course and then pick your tee, and the watch will display an optimized 3D course effects, showing every detail from the tees to the fairways, bunkers, water hazards, and even the greens as well. Now when you tee off, you get the direction of the green, landing area, real-time wind speeds, and the direction as well. Then as for your second shot, it offers an accurate distance measurements with 5-star dual frequency GNSS positioning, and also includes an intelligent shot suggestions where you can even measure distance to any point. Next, the slope compensation feature helps determine the batting distance based on the slope. After that, there's also a green slope heat map, usually a paid feature on other smartwatches, that makes aiming easier by highlighting critical slope areas at the green. Then at the end of each half, you get a 1-page score confirmation and a score report including the end of the round summary, which has shot analysis with fairway hit rates, green in, total putts and average putts, and even you can share these results effortlessly as well. Yeah, so if you play golf, then you can just stop this video right now and go ahead and get it. Okay, just kidding. Now let's move on to the next cool dedicated feature, which is diving. So this is also the industry's first smartwatch to support multiple diving modes up to 100 meters. It uses the most reliable diving algorithm, the Bullman decompression, to continually calculate and monitor diving metrics, giving you professional diving data. Now there are over 20 types of reminders and alerts, including decompression limits, ascending rates, and safety stops, all with short and long beeps and vibration, and also includes pop-up windows with color changes and flashing UX to keep you aware underwater. Plus, it also comes with a no decompression limit or NDL calculator, water entry and exit recording, and stepping away from diving if you love outdoors. Well, it comes with a professional outdoor adventure watch features like the contour maps, offline maps, and the waypoint return functionality. So yes, it is a true adventure smartwatch whether or not you're on land or under the sea. Under the sea. Under the sea. Now this makes me want to learn how to swim because, yep, I do not know how to swim. But apparently you don't need to learn how to swim to even dive, so we'll see about that. And if you're into sports like me, you are going to love this. It supports more than 100 sports modes, from running to swimming, hiking to rock climbing, where there's literally something for everyone. Next, let's get into the health management, where it features an emotional well-being assistant that automatically detects, tracks and records your emotions, classifying them as 3 categories, which is pleasant, calm or unpleasant. And speaking of current moods, you want to know what will make my emotional well-being pleasant? For you to hit the thumbs up button for this video. Yep, and a subscription will be extra lovely too, or extra pleasant. Thank you very much in advance. Now you also get a summary showing the changes in emotion and stress levels over time, so you can keep track of your mental well-being. Now on top of that, it also offers round-the-clock ECG readings using high-performance sensor module for accurate data collection and risk screening, all synced within the Huawei Health app. And finally, you even also get automatic SpO2 measurements, heart rate monitoring, the arterial stiffness analysis, making this watch the best all-round health companion. Now let's talk about the battery life. Firstly, it comes with up to 2 weeks. 2 weeks of battery life, which is incredible given its features, and based on my usage, I got very close to getting that, since I do work out every day at least twice a day. It also has the industry's fastest wireless charging solution, giving you a full charge in just 65 minutes. Now what's great is that it is compatible both on Android and iOS devices, and even features an NFC access card for easy entry into buildings. So yeah, say bye-bye to all of those annoying access cards moving forward using this. It also supports Bluetooth phone calls and message replies, so you can pick up your calls and stay in touch even without pulling up your phone. Now if you're lost in all the technical details mentioned in this video and want a recap, no worries, because there is a written version of this whole video at our website at www.adamlobo.tv. Links to that will be down below. So in conclusion, the Huawei Watch Ultimate is Huawei's most professional elite smartwatch, combining high-end luxury design with unmatched functionality. So whether or not you're hitting the greens, diving deep underwater, or just managing your health, this watch is an essential companion both for your sporting and your everyday needs. And with up to 14 days of battery life, cross-platform compatibility and convenient features like NFC access and Bluetooth calling, it is the ultimate expression of style, performance and innovation. Now, as of the recording of this video, the watch has yet to be announced, so I'll leave a pinned comment as soon as I get details of this smartwatch, so stay tuned for that. And do let me know what you guys think of this Huawei Watch Ultimate in the comment section below, and let's discuss it over there.